Oh, it's working? It's working! Okay. Hi, everybody. Okay, everybody. I'm Parrot. That's wifies. Hold up. Why am I lagging so much? Okay. My bad. I'm Parrot. That's wifies. We got lost at in the fog. So, I found this camera by the bench right there. And I'm gonna bring y'all along with us. How about that? So, don't mind them. They are doing something right now. Telekinesis. Yeah. That's why there's a mirror right here, okay, y'all? Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna be, like, exploring the fog to see if we can find a house or something. Yeah. That's pretty much it. And now we just gotta wait for them to come back. So we're gonna sit right here. And we're gonna wait. Oh, they're back. Peace. I found a camera and I'm recording. Say hi.
Oh, nice. Hi.
So I told them that we got lost in the fog and we're just gonna be exploring to see if we can find a house or something. Are you ready?
Okay.
Let's go. Why are you crouching?
Be quiet, okay? Hold on. Okay.
Yeah. God, it's foggy. Wifies. I don't like it. Wifies.
Indoors like this.
I don't like it. I'm scared. Wifies. Stop stopping. Don't stop anymore. I gotta see where you are so I can follow you because I can't see anything. What's this? Oh my goodness, Wifies. I'm scared.
You don't see.
Oh. Oh. Weren't we just right here? Wifies, we're gonna try going this way this time. Okay?
Okay.
It looks. I think we're on metal. Why are we on metal? Wifies, we're walking on metal.
This ain't even snow. I thought this was snow.
I don't know what's happening. First, okay? Go. Come on. I don't want to go first.
Of course, my lady. Okay. Jesus Christ.
Ah! Hi.
Scared me. Okay.
Oh.
Go through this door. Let's go through this door.
I went through it. Come on.
Ow.
Okay, let's see. Toggle. We're gonna pretend there's no toggles there. There's a paper over here, wifies. Do you want to read it?
Okay,
I'll let you read it.
A friend told me about this weird kind of magic. They discovered a kind of phenomenon that just couldn't be described. Only through words they talked about it. Like it was some sort of entryway, some type of portal. They told me to try it out, so I did. I got the roll of tape forming the magic square, as I call it, with the found in my garage. The floor. Finishing taping up the floor. I accidentally dropped the roll into the square. It was gone. What sort of thing have I gotten myself into? I need to look deeper into all of this. I have to. I hope I haven't discovered something terrible.
Click both those buttons over here. We don't want you dying and not responding. Can't believe a parrot's smarter than you.
A movie. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Look at it! Look at it! It's right there! It's right there!
Oh my god! Run! 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 Wifies, run! Wifies! Wifies, it's coming! Wifies, run! It's coming closer to you, run! Wifies! Wifies, no! Wifies, run! 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 Run, Wifies! Why did you go towards it? Why did you go towards it? Why would you go towards it? Are you that dumb? That's why I'm smarter than you. Come on. It's right behind you. It's behind you. It's behind you. It's behind you. Run! Wifies better not die. Wifies better not die. Come on, Wifies. Run! Come on! It's following you! It's following! Hurry! Run! Run! I think I'm gonna fall here. Oh! See, I'm smarter than you. I just got us from being trapped. Hey. We should run this way. We should run this way. Stay closer to the sides. Come on. Here we are just exploring, and wifies decided they had to, well, they didn't decide, but they got called, so they have to go AFK. Yeah, but all this is just exploring, and then after the exploring, wifies has to go AFK and stuff. So I'll let you just hear the sped up version of us talking, which sounds like a mouse or something now. Bye bye, hee hee. Spyglass. If we die, we die together. Cannot break that promise now because I already said it. Well, guys, if you're still here, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, please. That would mean so much to me. I'm trying to beat my main account. My main account has 1,700. Do you think we can beat that, y'all? I hope we can. I hope we can. Yeah. There's nothing gonna be hidden in this video, by the way. Come back! Come back! Wifies? Wifies? Wifies left me. Y'all. Holy shoots. Holy pigeon. So, wifies might have left me. I'm so dead. Goodness. Wifies, come back to me. Come back to me, wifies. Come, come, kitty, kitty, you're so pretty. Okay, I'll shut up. There's literally nothing out there. Bashy, bashy, bash. Y'all, I'm so scared. Y'all, I'm scared. Where's wifies at? I have wifies pin, thingy. I have wifies thing. I have a spyglass. Wifies, spawn. Oh. If you're still watching, thank you for watching, like, seriously, because this means a lot to me. Never expected to get 800 followers. I don't know how many I'll have by the time this video is posted. But, yeah. We might switch games by the time Wifies is back, so I'm probably going to make a little transition from this game to another, or from when I... Wifies? Wifies? Wifies not right there. Wifies? No. No. Wifies. It put me back over here. Wifies. Wifies. Oh my god, where's Wifies at? Please. Please, oh my god. Please, 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 Wifies. Wifies? Wifies? I'm gonna call him Wi-Fi till I find him. Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi, where are you? I'm scared! I don't see a purple blob anywhere. Do y'all see a purple blob anywhere? 'Cause I don't. Wifies. Oh, Wifies, where are you? Chirp, chirp, your bird is looking for you. Wifies. Wifies, where are you? I'm scared. Wifies. Wifies? Wifies? Waffle? Waffle Wi-Fi? Waffle Wi-Fi, Waffle Wi-Fi, Waffle Wi-Fi. Waffle Wi-Fi. Wifies. Where are you? Ah!